On this episode of Multitalented Megan Adventures, Key West to Canada. Good morning, I'm still in bed. Last night I went shopping and to the gym, took a shower, got a massage, filled the water bottles, and this morning I'm still cleaning and reorganizing my car. So I need the bathroom, and then I'm gonna continue to clean and reorganize. And then after that, I don't have a specific spot that I really want to get to today, so I'm just gonna take my time and enjoy my day. After sleeping really badly for right about 8 or 9 days in my apartment, it is so nice to be here in the forest and the trees where I slept really well, actually. And it's the first time I've gotten a good night's sleep in a while, so I actually feel really good and calm. My mechanic took this picture of my yellowed headlights, so I applied toothpaste to both headlights, and we'll see how not yellow they are afterwards. One side done, so much better. Let's do this other one. It doesn't feel better. I produced a full bag of trash and I've sorted and reorganized and cleaned up messes. It doesn't feel better yet, though. I didn't do much this afternoon and I stayed the night. You're still here. Please like and subscribe for tomorrow's episode.